So this is my Phylogenetic collection project by Cheyenne Sutton. I'm in Bio 102, and my teacher is CAEN. So my organism 5 is Bronchopedia lampshells. The species name is what I just said. It's a valid organism because it's in a valid taxonomic group with the kingdom Animalia. The phylum is Branchida. Essentially, they're placed inside two classes of classification, the Articula and the Inarticula. One is with hinge shells and one is without hinge shells. They reproduce sexually with separate sexes in most species, and it happens pretty much externally. Their mode of nutrition is filter feeders using a specialized feeding structure which is called the low-forward crown of ciliated tentacles that create water currents to capture plankton and a small particle of water. Organism 5 continued. Their source is fossils and modern marine biology. They're found in cool to temperate marine water. The habitat is they live on the seafloor attached to rocks, sediments, or reefs, and a low energy and just pretty much shallow to deep waters. And the ecological role is they're filter feeders, so they maintain water quality by consuming plankton. Then for my next one, organism 6, I have bread molds. These pretty much are a group of fungi, which are from the kingdom of fungi, so that's how I know this is a valid organism. They are zygomatica. Their classification is several genera, and the most common being pretty much bread mold, and it's a fast-growing mold. The reproductive life, they have both sexual and asexual. The asexual is just by them releasing spores, and the sexual cycle increases genetic diversity. So yeah, that's interesting because when reading it, I didn't know that was actually possible. Mode of nutrition are they're saprophytic fungi, meaning they decompose organic matter, and they play a key role in nutrient cycling by breaking down dead organic material. The source is they're studied through both laboratory cultures and fields of mold growth or decaying organic matter. The bread molds are found worldwide, but you can pretty much find this inside your counter, your cabinet, if you leave your bread in for too long. And they thrive in moist, decaying organic environments such as rotten food, fruits, dead plants, and they prefer areas of high humidity. The ecological roles are they're important decomposers, and they aid in nutrient uptake, but they can be harmful to other plants and animals, including us. So if you eat bread mold, you can get sick. And then for my last organism, I have, let me go back just to show you the pictures. Those are the bread mold pictures. These are the lampshell pictures. And then for organism 6, organism 7, my last organism is Myxomycota, which is plasmodial slime molds. Pretty much are from the kingdom of Prostia, so that's how I know that they're a valid organism. Their classification is they are part of a larger group of slime mold, classified under the Myxomycota, which is also the phylum. They have a complex life cycle involving both single-celled and multicellular stages. They live in a two-phase life cycle, the plasmophyline plane and the sporularities plane. And the mode of nutrition is they can consume organic matter through engulfing and digesting bacteria, dead plant matter, and their organisms. Organism 7, also, their sources, they're studied through microscopic observation and ecological research. Their plasmatic slime molds are found worldwide, primarily in temperate and tropical regions, and they are most common in decaying organic matter in moist environments. Their habitat, their molds are thrive in damp, dark conditions like forests, decaying wood, leaf, litter, and soil, and they prefer high areas of moisture. Their ecological role is they play a vital role in decomposition by breaking down dead plant material, bacteria, and other material. And they serve as the food for small invertebrates, contribute to the food web. So that's all my research, and for the sources, I pretty much, sorry for the background, I'm outside, but pretty much for the sources, I looked online for each one of these individual ones, and these will be attached inside, the sources will be attached inside the description. So yes, thank you so much.